Now we are going to learn how the integers, how to represent on the number line. So here it is. Once you observe that 0 is in the middle, on the right side you have positive numbers and left side we have negative numbers. So on the number line, the negative numbers on the left side and the positive numbers on the right side. Now we are going to see some operations on integers, how to add and how to subtract by using a simple way and easy to understand. Here we have a strip which are written already from 0 to right side all positive numbers and left side negative numbers till minus 13 here to plus 13 we have. And I took a one row and I hold the one small step. Now we'll see one more example. Plus 2 and plus 3. Plus 2 and plus 3. Now we'll move to the 0. Plus 2. 1, 2. Then again, how many integers? 3 positive integers. Positive integers on right side. How many digits we have to move? 3 digits. So 1, 2 and 3. Now what is the answer? Plus 5. The answer is plus 5. Now we are seeing that positive integers, how to add on this by using this simple method. And now we'll see that negative numbers, how to add it. So for example, minus 2 plus minus 3. Minus 2 plus minus 3. Now we put it 0. So negative numbers on which side? Left side. So 1 and 2. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 is here. From minus 2, again how many digits we have to count? 3. On which side? Left side. Because the negative numbers are left side. So how many digits? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So now what is the answer? Minus 5. We'll see one more example. Minus 5 plus minus 3. So minus 5. Here already I kept minus 5. Then how many digits we have to move? 3 digits. So 1, 2 and 3. So now what is the answer? Minus 8. And one more method is there. By using two strips, we can do it addition and subtraction in easy way. So look at here. For example, we are going to add positive integers. First, let us see that on orange strip we have 0 to right side all positive numbers and left side negative numbers. And on yellow strip also same we have. And just you keep it orange strip stable, fixed. And when you are adding the integers, just you reversed, means change the yellow strip. For example, we are going to add plus 3 and plus 5. Plus 3 and plus 5. Then how to add it? On orange strip, take plus 3 and adjust the yellow strip plus 5. So you see that plus 3 and plus 5. So plus 3 and plus 5 we are adding. The answer will get here straight to the 0 on yellow strip. Straight to the 0 on yellow strip, which is on orange strip. The answer is plus 8. So plus 3 plus 5 we got it 8. And one more example we'll see that plus 2 and plus 3. So plus 2 on orange strip and plus 3 on yellow strip. Plus 2 and plus 3. The answer will come here 0 straightly, that is plus 5. In the same way, negative numbers also we can do it that minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 3. So where is minus 2? Minus 2 is here and minus 3. just you see here, minus 2. When you are adding, just you put it like this, minus 2 and minus 3, you will get that 0 to straight, the answer is minus 5. The answer is minus 5. In the same way, one more example we'll see that minus 5 and minus 3. So where is minus 5? Minus 5 is on orange strip here, and minus 3 on yellow strip is here. Minus 5 and minus 3. Straight to the 0, the answer is minus 8. So like this we can add very easily. So now we are going to see that subtraction of integers. So how to subtract by using the same step. Now when you are subtracting that, the steps same like you keep it the same way. Here both should be in a same order. Now orange strip is here and yellow strip, should not be changed, the strip like this only. Now look at here, 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Where is 2 on strip? Here, 2. And 3. Where is 3? 3 is here. Just you place it both in same sequence. So plus 2 and plus 3. So both are, now we are going to subtract. How to subtract? The answer will come from 0 on yellow strip. So the answer is minus 1. In the same way, 3 minus 5. Where is 3? 3 is here. And 5 plus 5. Plus 3 and plus 5. What we are doing? Subtracting. The answer will come here 0 straightly. The answer is minus 2. In the same way, negative numbers also we can subtract. For example, minus 3 is there. Minus 3 and minus 3 on orange and minus 4 on yellow. Just you place it same. Minus 3 and minus 4. The answer will come here 0 straightly, plus 1. So like this we can do it any number. For example, minus 2 and plus 2. Minus 2 and plus 2. What is the answer? You will get a minus 4. So minus 2 and minus 6. Minus 6 and minus 2. You will get the same answer. You will get the same answer.